Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to make a PIR sensor circuit. We will need a 1.5 volt battery. We'll make this 3 batteries, and now we will need a LED light, and we'll also need a PIR sensor. Now we will take the negative wire terminal of the batteries and we'll connect it to the ground pin. Okay, and now we'll take the power pin and we'll just connect it to the positive terminal. Done. Now we'll bring in a resistor. We'll connect it here. We'll take the terminal 1 and connect it to the anode. The cathode will be connected to the negative terminal of the batteries. Now we'll make this black wire. This should be black too. Others should say green. Now let's start the simulation. As you can see, nothing is happening at all. But if you click it, there's a ball inside, right? If we move the ball, the light's turning up and the sensor is indicating that something is moving. PIR sensors are used in HD security cameras that when something moves, they indicate us. So, I hope you learned something new today. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.